Hello, this is Ramsey Cisneros and Kayla Thompson with LCM Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video today. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things you can do to your website real easily so you can beat out AZ Valley windows when Google searching sliding doors in Peoria, Arizona. So if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's super simple. I found out a little while ago that smaller business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit their company and bring them more business. And usually the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. Also, I understand some businesses do have a digital marketing agency, but they just aren't seeing the results they are paying them for. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is to help you out in whatever way I can. What we're going to talk about today are 3 things: content, backlink, and citations. I really like your pictures that you have on your website. So what Google really cares about most when it comes to that aspect is how much content you have. So right here it shows that you have 240 words. Okay, the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on their homepage. So you're going to want to get more content than that. We look at your competitor, they have just over 1,000. So if you get anywhere from that 15 to 2,000 mark, you completely blow them out of the water when it comes to that aspect. One thing that you also want to take into consideration is putting keywords within your content. Keywords are what you would put within this Google bar. So sliding doors in Peoria, Arizona is a keyword. Windows in Peoria, Arizona is another keyword. So you want to put things like that in that aspect to get you ranking. And you also, when you save your pictures, save them as keywords as well. This will help you get up there with Google. That's our first tip. Our second tip is backlinks. Okay, a backlink is when another website on the internet is linking and driving traffic to you. This is important. Google is like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. But they want to see relevant links, so that those backlinks are going to give you a lot more power if you have another sliding door company or window company linking to you versus Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not associated with pizza. So the tool I use to look at backlinks, okay, is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but there are free tools amongst the internet. For instance, Backlink Checker or Keyword Planner are just a couple to mention. But if you see right here, it shows you have 161 backlinks. Now, if we go over to your competitor, it shows they have 200 or 2.3 thousand backlinks. So you're going to want to get a lot more than them. And the easiest way to do that is to go and click into this backlink page, and it's going to give you a list of websites. Just copy those links and put your website in those. Easiest way to do that is just to click on it. A lot of the times you just create a profile and put a link in your profile linking back to your website. Sometimes you may have to click the Contact Us page or Contact Us button, and it will send an email to the owner. But whatever this company had to do to get in those, you're going to have to do as well. But just by copying them and doing those 2 tips, that's how you become number 1 organically down here within Google's pages. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about this section. This section is the most important section because this is where all the traffic goes. This is called Map Pack. Google Map Pack is what we call it. Right? It's free to have a Google My Business profile, and all you need is to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. A directory is anywhere or any website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, yes, yellow pages, white pages, things to that degree. So what I do is I figure out what directories Arizona Window and Door Store are in, and I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top of that. So if they were in 100 directories, I'd put mine in 200. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you found this information helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. Just to recap, you're going to want to have about 3,000 words or 2,000 words within your homepage content. Remember, keywords and keywords with your pictures uploaded is going to help you get up there. You're going to also want to take these links that we were talking about, the backlinks, okay, and apply them to your own website. And if you need to add more, you can just copy from another competitor and take theirs, okay? And the last thing is you want to put your name in those directories so that you become #1 up here. I apologize. Southwest Patio Door Repair is the top one. This is an ad, so I apologize about that. So yeah, if you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google. Right now, you're probably wondering what to do. I would recommend getting started right away because it does take some time to implement this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you see profits from your work. If you have any more questions or you don't know what to do or want someone else to handle this for you, you can always give us a call. Here's our number right there. We can answer any questions you might have as well. But I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I look forward to your feedback and hope you have an amazing day. Thanks.